EasyCruit has a rating feature which enables us to obtain feedback from others and obtain an average rating given by 2 or more reviewers. The rating function in EasyCruit can be used in 2 ways. Collaborative rating requires activation for each vacancy we want to set this up for. When activated, it enables anyone with access to the vacancy to rate and/or comment on candidates from the Collaborative Rating tab. EasyCruit then aggregates the ratings and displays all comments relating to the candidate. After activating Collaborative Rating for a vacancy, recruiters can also then choose specific users who should be sent an email whenever a new candidate applies to the vacancy, in order to then rate them. This is useful for specialized positions where candidate volumes may be low, so you can act quickly when a new candidate applies. Panel review can be used when we want 2 or more people to give their evaluation of a specific shortlist or group of candidates. The people in the panel do not have to be users in EasyCruit. The result of the review can be seen directly in the overview of candidates, as well as on the individual candidate page. The panel review option is always available from the Further Progress drop-down menu. So the choice of which method to use depends on whether you want reviewers to log into EasyCruit and rate at their own leisure without notification, whether you want the reviewers to receive email notification for every new candidate, or whether you want reviewers to only review a specific set of candidates. Once candidates have been rated, their average scores can be seen in the panel review column from the Collaborative Rating section of the application handling page. Once at least one review has been submitted, a series of stars, as well as an additional tab called Collaborative Rating, will become visible on the candidate's application and CV page. The stars represent the candidate's score on a scale of 1 to 7. The top row of stars shows the candidate's average rating based on all the reviewers, and the bottom row of stars is where we can see what our own rating is for the candidate. After we've given our rating, the average score will automatically update. We can see on the Collaborative Rating tab all the comments reviewers have given. The Collaborative Rating/Panel Review feature isn't part of the standard EasyCruit configuration, so if you don't currently see these options, contact the customer success team to find out about implementing this feature. Watch our other tutorials to find out more about collaborative rating and panel review in more detail.